Good morning. It's Futures and Charts, and I just wanted to show you the good news today to all three of my viewers. If you are a viewer, please tell some other people and have them check this out. I'd really appreciate it. But wheat is actually up today pretty substantially. So, we talked about this chart here that could be forming a head and shoulders pattern here, which it looks like it may have because it's actually broke out above the neckline here. So we possibly could be headed for, a bit of a run up. So that would be good news. So just wanted to pass that on to you. The diesel is running up to a possible resistance line here. It hasn't gotten there yet. If it does break through, like this is in kind of a new low here, and I just think that a lot of the commodities are starting to bottom and are starting to come out of it. So even though there's some resistance here, which it may battle for a little bit, I still think things could possibly want to go up, just because the dollar seems to be weakening, and who's to say how long that lasts, but with the yen carry trade. But I do think that I heard a long time, well, not about probably 2 or 3 months ago, I was reading an article about the commodity super cycle coming probably next year, and if the dollar does fall, if the Fed starts lowering interest rates and the dollar starts to weaken, that could very well be true. So hopefully, if you have enough patience, things could work in our favor as far as the wheat market. If you got grain in the bin, which you will have after harvest here, so hopefully you'll have a better chance to market your grain here soon. So, but a 11 to 12, 13 cent jump today is a welcome sight for you wheat farmers, and just wanted to pass that along to you today. And like I say, if you're watching this, please subscribe and tell your buddies down the road about it, and hopefully I can help you at least keep you informed. And when it comes to buying fuel, I do contract sales, so if you're looking for a fuel contract, let's talk about it. So I think this is a decent time to buy, maybe into next spring. The prices are basically at a low that I haven't seen for, it was a little bit lower this summer. There was a couple dips, kind of weird dips actually. In May we had a dip, which usually prices are rising going into the summer, but so it's been kind of a strange year. But prices are really pretty good compared to what a lot of contracts were sold at last year. So it's well under $3. So if you're looking for something, I would say at least we should talk about it. And if it's within your budget, it might be something to look at. Or if you got the storage, that's a big thing too. If things are gonna come down, I would seriously look at getting more storage if you don't have a lot, because there may be some opportunities to get filled up on cheaper fuel. And because if something in the Middle East flares up, good Lord, who knows what these things could go to. So might be just a good idea it's like your grain storage. A lot of people have put up bins so they can store their grain, so they can market it better. I think the same thing should happen with fuel. So just something to think about. So anyway, that's all I got for you today, and we'll catch you in the future.